A source of confusion that is really, really common that I'm going to bring up in the course of this conversation. When it comes to a discrepancy on the amount that someone paid you, a really common misunderstanding about a discrepancy in the payment amount is about reimbursed expenses. So let's just get super clear on what the rules are on reimbursed expenses, because a lot of times it's possible for the person who issued the 1099 to you to not know those rules, or for you to not know those rules and to think your 1099 is wrong when it's actually correct. Okay. So here's what the rules are when someone not just paid you for your work, but also reimbursed expenses that you incurred for that work. Okay. Now, the IRS has two different ways to split this. Okay. There's one way, which is called an accountable plan. So if the person paying has something called an accountable plan, this means they require you to show them receipts for the items they're going to reimburse. That's an accountable plan. And that means they're allowed to issue a 1099 where the only thing they report as income to you is what they paid you for the service. And they don't need to report any of that reimbursement on the 1099. Okay. So that's the rule. If you were not required to show receipts, that means that person who paid you does not have what is called an accountable plan. And under the IRS rules, that means they have to, by law, report their reimbursement to you as income. So they will add the reimbursement plus the payment together and report it as income to you. Okay.